Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Minecraft runtime environment problem easy and quick. If you want to fix it, all you have to do just open Minecraft folder and then click on Minecraft installer, click next, click repair and then click repair here, and after that click finish. Now open apps and features, type here Minecraft. Now just click this one, 3 megabytes, and then click on install. And now just go back and then install it again, click next, create a shortcut. You can enable it if you want. And that's it. Now your problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.